Hey everyone, it's me Austin Shade again with yet another video. Today I just want to say how are you all doing, and yes, I am playing again Batman Arkham Origins, and right now there's a bunch of punks that's somewhere behind me that needs to get their butt whooped. If you can see, yep, look at all those people. They're gonna get their butt whooped. Let's like ho shabam. Boom. No, messed up. No, 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 no. Take that and I believe I fought these guys in my last video, but unfortunately, I guess not. And I still remember the mission that we have to do. That was to get to the Penguin, which I can look for the bat signal. That's over there. Okay. Whoa! What was that? What was that? That was a big flashing light. Okay, I'm not sure what that was. Oh, I figured out how to do that. Yay.
This is a long bridge. I should use my grapnel accelerator.
Ah, nuts. No. Dang you. Almost there.
I hope you'll try to keep a low profile tonight, sir.
Trust me, I'll take down those assassins before they even know I'm there.
Not just that. If some kind child looks out and sees those pattering across their rooftop, they'll be and tall. Not a black clad bat creature.
I don't matter.
God dang it.
You can't keep this up.
Take that. Boom. Boom. Boom.
This ain't over yet.
Take that. Gotcha again. Okay, where is it? Where is it? Where? Back signal disappeared. Oh wait, there it is. Okay, time will run for it. Top the bridge. The only thing that disappointed me in this game is that it did not have the ability of driving the Batmobile at all. Almost there. Dive bomb. Boom! Oh, okay, that's a superhero landing. Giant Santa. Whoa! Whoa, no! Okay. It is right here. Oh. Thought I broke the game for a
Looks like I'm
second.
the first one here. I need to find a spot where I can stake this place out unnoticed.
Okay. Whoop. Guess I didn't need to do that. Story time.
Penguin. Not a dime changes hands in this city he can't tell you about. If anyone knows where Black Mask and his assassins are, it's him. But Penguin's hard to find. His men are doing a deal here. I'll make them talk.
Guys, so, little boys, what do you want for Christmas? Oh wait, I already know.
Looks like some expensive hardware.
Now let's see if you've been naughty or...
That's his name, Lucy Lips. That's funny.
Nice.
Oh, that's a funny name, Lucy Lips. Sniper rifles.
Punk in the Santa hat must be in charge.
Punk in the Santa hat must be in charge.
Where's the rest?
I'd take the Santa guy out first. Let me take you out.
Let's see him. I didn't come over.
Bam! Take that seat. Ding, 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 ding. Take that. And this Santa back. Oh. Nope. Back off, Santa. Ah.
Where'd this guy come from?
I gotta let you. Ah. I can hit fairly hard too. I can literally kill someone with just throwing batarangs.
Oh no! No!
Take that! Haha, gotcha. Now where's the Santa guy? Come here, punk. I'm gonna interrogate you. Take a seat.
Get away!
Where's the Penguin? I don't know.
You're about
Where is
to.
he? I swear. Damn. Wake up. What happened? Time to talk. Where's Cobblepot?
Yeah.
Let me go!
If you insist.
Oh, that had to hurt.
Please, stop! Stop! I'll talk. I'll tell you anything you want to know. Please!
Too late. I already have what I need.
No!
Bye. Time to deck the tree.
You're freaking crazy!
I know I am, but what am I?
Card.
Are you?
May be able to locate Penguin.
Let's see.
Alfred, I'm getting interference on my comm systems. Is that on your side?
No, sir, I'm seeing it as well. It's from the nearby GCR tower. It's the same signal jamming the Batwing's auto-nerve systems. I've highlighted the tower on your map.
I'll need to stop that signal before I can track down the Penguin.
Available units calling status.
Oh, wait, change.
545 minutes coming.
There it is. Nope. No, I thought I could fit through. Wait. What's in here? Is this open door? Where are these pumps at? Are they down here? I don't have time for that. take this. And sorry if I'm not talking that much. I'm just really focusing on trying to like play. It's like very complicated on trying to move all these. Oh!
Why can't I?
That. Took you out with batarangs.
Well, look who just showed up. Have you really decided to try and take me on? Get to it then. I'm looking forward to watching you fail.
Okay, so. Oh, have to use the remote batarang. Okay, this is one of the toughest things for me to.
Not so easy when you've got to use your brains instead of your fists.
Come on. Hell.
I need to figure out a way to
There we go.
transfer that electricity to them.
Typical. I mean, why apply
There we go.
resources
Did
to
it.
a problem when you can just throw crap at it?
I just did. Now time to take care of this. Open another door. And sorry if I'm not talking that much. I'm just trying to focus yet again. But how are you all been?
That's nicely. I'd have opened it for you.
Highly doubt that. Let's hack. I want to hack. Let me hack. There. Takes a while. Keep out.
Congratulations are in order. Maybe you're not as stupid as I've been led to believe.
I'm way much more smarter than you, I know that.
Direct, I like it. So I'll tell you. Gotham's sullied. It's filled with brutes who control this city through violence and intimidation.
You didn't answer my question.
Sorry, just turn the volume up if you can't hear me.
I want to get rid of them, Batman, to improve Gotham's intellectual and moral standing.
A little bit too loud. I'm going to turn down a little bit. Sorry, just trying to experiment here.
Refined.
What you're doing is no different than stealing. There's nothing refined about it.
Your response is as predictable as it is banal.
No, I can still move my hands. Okay. That's taken care of.
Now I can access the SIM card I took from that arms dealer and hack Penguin's communications.
Back to this. Ooh. Okay. What's this? Hole.
The Penguin's pretty pissed off about the deal going south. Yeah, if I was involved in that, I'd be on my way out of the city.
Alfred, I'm reading a signal from Penguin's men, but it's not associated with any known wireless frequency.
Ah, yes, I see it here. Looks like Penguin runs his own private wireless network using laptop transmitters serving as ad hoc comm stations. He's feeding his men frequencies via two-way radio. There are two of these comm stations near your position.
Good. Mark them on my map. If I can find and hack those walkie-talkies, I can triangulate Penguin's position.
Okay, time to look for two guys with maps. Light the bat signal up. Okay, I guess I have to map them myself. No? Okay. Oh. There it is. No, I wanted to jump. And fly me up.
Yeah, what is that?
It just gets all over everything. My gloves, my shoes, my pockets. It melts and messes everything up. My socks are soaked. Just need a I know how to bundle up just fine.
Yeah, don't worry.
So much freaking snow.
Almost there. Getting closer.
Gotham's gone crazy.
They say rooms
Here we go.
Crime and crap.
Better kick ass in next year's boiler.
Okay.
Self-defense classes. Self-defense? You know, know, martial arts techniques on how to defend yourself.
I count 5 targets.
You're just gonna stand there and defend yourself while the other guy wails on you? You won't last 2 rounds.
What they say, best offense is a good defense.
Oh yeah?
What's that?
Who said that? Your little league coach? This is bare knuckle brawling. You'll get knocked on your ass if you...
It's one of the
Whatever
things
these
that...
relays are protecting, it can't be good. I should destroy any more I come across.
Because you're such a dumbass.
Oh, I am not even... Right now I'm just button mashing. Bam! Okay, where was that thing? Here. Use. Hacking.
Batman, you expect me to believe that? Listen,
I need to find the next comm station. Then I'll be able to triangulate Penguin's position.
Light the sky with my signal.
saving his own ass. So next time you want to make up a story, you better hope the person you're telling it to is dumber than you are. Oh, wait, that's right. There ain't no one dumber than you.
Mr. Cobblepot, I swear it was
Ah,
the
shoot.
band. He dropped Ricky off the roof of the clock tower straight into the Christmas tree.
Excuse me.
I don't care what you can do, son. If you're not
Got something more important to do.
next 10 minutes, I'll cut them down.
Should have beat them up, but...
And then you won't have to worry about seeing them ever again. Is that clear?
Yes, Mr. Cobblepot. I'm sorry, Mr. Cobblepot.
Oh. Ah! What was that? Saw something green on here. Whoa, what's this?
An encrypted data drive. Looks like it's part of a larger set. If I can collect enough of these, I should be able to read the file.
Whoa, that was cool.
Word is some of Penguin's guys are in the neighborhood. We're all... This kind of crap. Maybe it's all a misunderstanding. I think I lost or something. Came to visit friends.
What? Ah.
What the?
All units who are 1010, please report in for potential assignment.
Throw the batteries! No, I did not want to get up there. Bam! There we go. That makes it way much more easier. Where is it? Back over here. Using this one now. Oh, that got here quick. Oh, no signal. What the heck's that blue light?
All right, everyone, listen up. I know I ought to cancel our annual boiler deck fights after what happened tonight at Jezebel Plaza. But just to show you what a nice guy I am, the fights are still on. So get yourself down to the ship right now if you want in on this.
Penguin's been hiding out on an old ship. No wonder he's been so hard to find.
Wait for laggers.
What are we looking for again? Guy in a suit wears a mask. I think it's...
Oh, dang it.
Penguin's got snipers out. If I want to approach unnoticed, I should silently take out these snipers.
Oh, okay. So there's one up there. Oh. I'm gonna... Let's take down.
Hey!
Okay. Kind of routed them up a little.
Look out! I got him! Over here! I want you to die!
Knockout. Take cover. Cover. Wait, what was that?
Time to put on your big boy pants. Gonna scour this room, flush them out.
Oh, there's a bunch of them. I guess so there. There's two. Wait.
I got him! I got him! I got him! I got him! Right there! Right there!
Dang it. Gotcha. Sorry I haven't talked for a while, it's just I was trying to do this. And I just covered the whole area in smoke. Now time to look for an entranceway, and I just found it. Here we go. Oh wait, there was some kind of device up here. Let's go destroy. There we go. Got him. Got it. Okay. Let's take care of this one. Time to see who the penguin is.
You wanna get caught, Batman? Looks like someone brought a bat to a knife fight.
Oh, really? Take that.
Welcome to this year's Origins. You know I always get
Finally!
Well, you brought a knife fight to a battering fight.
Well, that and I need someone to clean out the piss.
Now those are big rocket launchers right there.
You didn't bet on yourselves. You're either cheap or lacking confidence. Neither are desirable qualities. I'll sort out you lot after the tourney. But let's get started. Who's ready for some action?
And that's also a big missile too. Sorry, I paused to listen
Penguin is
here.
hosting some kind of fighting tournament. That's where I need to go.
And I also know a little bit what's coming up next, so I want to get a little bit more upgrades. Because what's coming up next is going to be really painful. But I'm going to let you guys figure it out. Okay, there's a bunch of people down there. 7 hostiles detected.
That's the guy! That's the guy!
Boom! Boom!
Need something to cut with.
Whoa! Take that. Yeah, you can go home in your imagination once after I beat you up senseless. Okay, let's get in. Crew quarters, deck 1, deck 2. Okay. I can't go that way. Okay, up. Here we go. Mostly this game is a lot of walking around, so sorry about that. Wow, I'm already 27 minutes into this. Oh, that's water. And there's something right there. Okay, can't get to that. Ah! Oh, I almost didn't make it. Oh, in here. Pass here. Man, this would not be a. Whoa. Okay. Oh. Okay, here we go. Oh, this is so dangerous. Okay, there's more people here at the beach. Take out this big fat guy. What?
Don't just stand there, you bums!
I can't see what's going on.
I don't want to fight anymore!
Ah. Take that! Then why are you fighting? Do I get more XP? Only reason I'm doing upgrades on me is because I know what's coming up next, so no, haven't earned any more. Okay, I know how to do this. Pull, pull, pull. Okay. And now. Good. Gotta push myself. Sorry for a lot of mistakes too. I'm trying to like do multiple things. Okay. Let me get up. Okay. Oh, wait, I know how. Gotta break that. There we go. Now I can. Whee! Ah, bright. I don't do well in brightness. I am a bat, after all. The Batman. Okay, time to speed this up.
Come on, son! At least make a show of it! Alright, lads. The rest of you losers to me have to embarrass yourselves
Okay,
without me.
can't
God
use
knows you
nothing
can
for that.
I've got some business to take care of in the office, and I don't want to be disturbed. Tracy, fights till I get back.
Oh, this
Sounds like
time.
Penguin will be in his office. Tracy should know where that is. I'll make her talk.
Here we go. Man, it's like a maze. Okay, so that's not gonna shut off. And I just wasted a bunch of health. But okay, I got lost. That's what else? Okay, I just got lost. So entrance that way, so yeah, I just got lost. Ah, crap, what happened? No, I'm losing health. Wait, this is not what I wanted. How do I do this? Dang it! The door's locked, but where else can I go? Can I go back? Yeah, I can go back. Wait, thought I had a map. Boiler deck, track down the penguin. Okay, so right behind it. Okay. Like a big maze. Okay, so now so something here. Some way to do this. Ah, here we go. That's where I was supposed to. Ah, oh, come on! I wasted all that health for this. Okay. Look at all those men. And I just made it.
Now there's a naughty geezer. Proper naughty. And he deserves a right proper welcome, don't he, lads?
Just say you All the trouble coming.
Ah, it's one of those guys I'm supposed to take care of. Or one of the assassins.
Kill you. Then I'm gonna jumpstart your heart. And kill you again.
Okay, I'm not sure how to defeat this guy again. Oh, so tough.
I'm looking for Black Mask. Where is he?
I'm just gonna batarang him.
I ain't here to talk. I'm here to kick your ass.
That's battery.
Last chance.
Okay.
50,000.
Oh!
Who wants to show me where the penguin is?
That was it?
Alright, you lousy bugs. Time to earn your supper.
Hold on. I think I earned an XP point for that. I'm gonna get some upgrades. This might be a... Nope, I didn't. I didn't. Okay. Who wants some? Who wants some? I'm ready to kick some butt. Ooh, ooh, ah. I'm gonna throw down with some fists and I'm gonna win. Keep them coming. Ooh, take you out with your own bat. Come. Take this.
Alright!
Where's Cobblepot?
I ain't telling you, Jack.
Okay.
More pressure and I'll crush your larynx. What's it going to be?
Alright. He's in his office. Only way in is through the theater, on the other side of the casino. But you'll never get past Tracy.
Tracy is not a problem.
Oh, that just made my spine chill.
That
Hey, yes, I brought up my...
last interrogation.
I brought it all up. Thank God, I'm solo. Okay, let's get more. I got 1 XP. Or... UP. XP. I'm just gonna call it XP. I'm gonna... do this. Now it's both fully equal. Now... gain access to the penguin. Okay. Examine the executioner. Okay.
Penguin will know where I can find Black Mask.
Oh.
Electrocutioner won't have any reliable information. This idiot doesn't know anything. My best bet for finding Black Mask lies with Penguin.
It looks more like Two-Face, and look at that face. That's just weird. Okay. Choose your weapon. Okay, we... Wow, are we really doing gladiator kind of thing? Okay. A bunch of climb. Wow. I'm gonna have to soon stop here. I think I'm going this way. Oh, yep, there's the door. Okay, thought that was the doors.
lot. Think about it, lad.
Oh, what's this? Another data pack. Okay. Did I? No. Okay, so there we go. Whee! Swear to God, I didn't know. I'm going back exactly the same way. You know, confused. Ah, I'm supposed to go here? Nope, same place. Whoa. Not what I meant to do. I'm getting quite lost. I'm gonna check out my map. Okay. Boiler deck? Was there another way? I'm gonna go back. Okay, that didn't work. No, okay. This way. Okay. Just go this way. And we climb.
Oi! I got a message for the Batman. I'm your mate, the electrocutioner. Back on his feet he is, and he says you may have won this round, but the fight is far from over. He'll be back for you, Batman. Watch your ass.
Baczynski's come to, and now he's on the lam. I should have tied him up and called the cops to get him.
Okay, I guess there's some way here. No, that's not a door. Just went there. I'm all the way over there. Wait. No. Wait. Isn't there... No. Oh, why did I just do that? I did not mean to do that. Ah. Trolls. Okay, I didn't know what that was. Okay, wait, so... This way? No? Yeah, I'm not quite sure. That leads out. Oh. Boiler room? Maybe? No, I went the completely the wrong way. Okay. I am lost, so I'm gonna stop right here. Well, this is kind of confusing, so I'm gonna have to try another time, but well, this has just been very confusing. I'm trying to figure it out. Mostly these games are like so hard to try to figure out sometimes, but I will try to figure it out on another day. But if you like this video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment in the comments below. And I will see you all in the next video. Sorry I didn't have a lot to say or anything. I was very focused on the game, so I will see you all in the next video, and keep those subscribers coming. Bye.